Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya and my today's topic is the Geriatric Pharmacovigilance. So what is the pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is the department of the pharmaceutical which deals with the long-term safety of the drug. So and the geriatric means the older age patients. So uh, in pharmacovigilance, we study the safety and the adverse drug reactions, their reporting, and all the data related that. In old age, there are the many changes into the body of the human. So the data from the clinical trial is from the in that clinical trial data, the younger adults are used for the report for collecting the data. So there are the many physiological changes like the decline the function of the body, so ADME uh, of the organs, the liver and the kidney function is the declines or the weakens. So this also affect the clearance and the toxicity of the drug. So the enzyme activity, the liver functions and the enzyme function, metabolism function also weakens. Also the composition of the fats and the proteins into the body of the olders is also different than the adult. So this is also we should consider. Also there is the comorbidity. So this is the condition when there are the multiple chronic conditions into the older ages. So there is the polypharmacy, different medications are used and we cannot distinguish between the symptoms of the new symptoms of the diseases or the adverse drug reactions happen. So these are the all are the physical conditions which makes different of which make different between the younger adults than the older. So what are the challenges? The formulation issues, because older age patients are not compatible or not okay with all types of the formulations. Uh, so we should study them. Also there are the also there is the frailty. The frailty is the condition when the uh, uh, patient adherence to the medication is changes. So reporting of the ADR is also changes. Sometimes the older patient do not communicate properly, or they assume that the reactions are the part of the diseases they are suffering from, so they do not report these adverse drug reactions. So this is the main problem in older age patients. um, Also we should give the trainings and the education to the caretakers of that, because any type of the symptoms if they see, they should report them. So reporting them is very important. We can change the medications. There are the number of the diseases in the old age, so polypharmacy is used. So drug interactions, the between that drugs and is happen. So at the time of the prescribing the drugs, the physician should know the history of the older age patients, what medications they are continuously using, and the simplified medication regimens is also important, because number of the diseases, number of the medications are involved into their daily routine. So sometimes they not take it properly, and this is the problem, because there will be the drug interactions or the another type of the reactions can be happen into onto their body. So also there is the limited data of the clinical trials, because the older age are not considerably involved into the clinical trials. So data from the clinical trial is not always applicable to the older age patients, so we should consider that also. Also we should provide the awareness between the mm, caretakers and the physicians, the counseling of these patients, because mentally and their immunity also changes. immunity also weakens, so they are more vulnerable to the sometimes of some types of the diseases. So this is also the condition which make them separate from the adults. So these are the number of the things we should consider, because older age patients is the very important part of our community, our society, and we should take care of them. Thank you.